This Mother's Day, make sure your mum is as good looking as her cooking with our selection of stylish aprons at thebigkitchen.co.uk. And the only way to show you is by doing an apron fashion show. So for these next few minutes, just imagine that I'm your mum. Easy? Right. So I really like this one. This is one that caught my eye straight away. This is an apron from Thornback and Peel. It's machine washable up to 30 degrees. So if your mum likes to get messy while she's putting together a lovely sort of, I don't know, how do you eat sardines? Sardines is basically the design. I was going to say a sardine salad, but I'm not really one to eat tin fish. But if your mum is, she might love this lovely apron. Really, really nice big apron strings so you can do the double tie around and the knot at the front. I always find that's the easiest way to tie an apron because I can never really work out what my hands are doing when they're behind my head. So that is our first one. You can pick that up on our website right now. So that's the Thornback and Peel sardine apron. If your mum likes to rise to the occasion in the kitchen and she fancies herself as the next bake-off star, pick up this lovely apron. So it's by Julia Junkin Textiles. It's a really, really lovely, lovely thick material. And you can see you've got a little pocket here, right on sort of this chest piece. A lovely little pocket there where you can put, I guess, your phone, maybe a wooden spoon wouldn't do great in there, but it's got this really, really cool design on here. A big love heart, a mixing bowl, a mixing spoon, and a crown because your mum is queen of the cakes this Mother's Day. You can check that out on our website right now. Oh, it's got a lovely little frill, a nice little feminine frill at the bottom of the apron there. Now you'll see a little bit of a theme in some of the aprons that I'm choosing. They feature a fair few animals, all edible. All animals are edible, aren't they? Most animals are edible. I'm just going to go with most. But all of these animals are edible, and they all have something to do with kitchen craft. So whether it's a coq van or a souffle, chickens are found right across the culinary sphere. So why not wear them in the kitchen? So this is a lovely, lovely sort of burgundy red on just off-white cream. It is by Kitchen Craft. It's made from 100% superior thread cotton, and there is a matching set of oven gloves and tea towels to go with this. So if your mum needs a bit of an update on some of her kitchen textiles, then check this out. It comes in a matching set. And again, it's got that very, very handy pocket there because who wants their phone to end up in the cake batter? Not me. Now, this has got to be my absolute favorite of my selections of aprons, Mother's Day aprons, again from Thornback and Peel. They're really coming through with the design. So this is a lobster. So you might want to pinch this up before it sells out, or before I grab it at least. I really love lobsters. Don't like the taste, but I love the look of a lobster. I've actually cooked a lobster before in San Carlo in Bristol, and I had to, sort of cut it down the middle, and that was traumatic. But anyway, I like to remember that fond memory by wearing lobsters as I'm cooking. And this is a really, really nice apron. Again, a lovely, lovely long apron tie and just really, really thick quality material. Our next brand that I'm going to introduce you to is Underground. We've got a fair few different styles from Underground. This one is a really, really nice, bright mustard colour with a group of 4 penguins. Big long black tie, again long enough to wrap around and tie at the front. No pocket on this one, but a really, really cool design, and the fabric feels nice and sturdy so it can withstand all the messes that you might make in the kitchen. This is the Cesar pink apron. This is from a Norwich based business. This feels like a really, really, really premium quality apron. Again, a really, really long apron tie and 2 pockets, 2 handy little pockets for you to use when you're cooking. I need to mix my batter. Where's my spoon gone? Oh, that's right. It's in my handy pocket. So if your mum isn't a fan of animals and ingredients on her apron, then just straight up classic pink maybe is what she needs if she needs a refresh of her apron this Mother's Day. And our final apron is one for the mums that like to go out with a bag for life and collect all the blackberries from the bushes. You often see that when the weather's starting to turn. Lots of people out collecting blackberries because it's free. They're on the trees, about to make them into some sort of pie or jam. This also comes with a flavour of bird which I don't recognise. What sort of bird is that? Do you know what sort of bird that is? But I'm sure with a bit of Googling I'll be able to find out. It's a really, really pretty design if your mum likes that sort of thing. Who is this by? I think this is by our friends again, Thornback and Peel. So again, another lovely design from Thornback and Peel, and this is, of course, just a very, very tiny selection of the many different aprons that we have available at thebigkitchen.co.uk. So if your mum likes to look good while she's cooking up a storm, then maybe a new apron is just what she needs this Mother's Day. Thanks for watching.